Welcome to the Suryodaya Small Finance Bank's corporate internet banking user journey.
This section explains the process, how a new user receives login credentials, creates a secure password, retrieves a forgotten user ID, and accesses the corporate internet banking portal securely.
As a corporate internet banking user, you will receive an email containing the user ID. If not visible in inbox, check your spam, junk folder. You can access the CIB login page by visiting cib.suryodaya.bank.in. Click on New User.
Please note that old CIB login credentials are not valid on this new CIB platform. Hence, users of the old platform will need to follow the same process for setting a new password to access the new CIB.
Enter the user ID shared on the individual registered email address, which is your individual CIF ID, and click Send OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and submit. Now, you can create new password. Your password must be 8 to 10 characters long, start with a lowercase letter, and include at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. After updating the password, you will be redirected to login page. Now, you can enter user ID, that is your individual CIF ID.
In case if you forget your individual CIF ID, you can recover it by clicking Forget User ID. It will open Forget User ID journey. You need to enter your PAN number and registered mobile number and click Submit. Enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and click Submit OTP. You will get your user ID on your registered mail ID. Then go to Login page.
Now, you can enter user ID, that is your individual CIF ID, and password created by you. After login, you need to select the group ID. If same user is having access to multiple groups, once the group is selected, relevant group's dashboard will open with the accounts balances and payment summary. You can view accounts summary. It will show the total number of accounts mapped to user along with sum of balance. Payment summary. It will show the payments processed for the day and amount of the payment. Login activity. It is a security feature. You can view last login activity. On the left sidebar navigation, you can find the options of account balance, account statement. On account balance tab, you can view the real-time available balances, account list filtered by user access.
On Account Statement tab, you can view the mini statement details. Statement has a feature to download in Excel or PDF, an option to view account-specific details. Next module is Payment module. The Payments module includes beneficiary maintenance, single vendor payment, and bulk payment. Under Beneficiary Maintenance tab, you can avail the features of adding a beneficiary. You can view, edit, or delete a beneficiary.
While adding beneficiaries, you need to fill mandatory and non-mandatory fields such as beneficiary name, account number, email address, mobile number, transaction limit, daily limit, monthly limit allowed, source accounts, and address details in the beneficiary tab. Your beneficiary will be added immediately without any cooling period. After successful addition of beneficiary, you can proceed for Payment module. There are two types of payment modules available in CIB. One is single vendor payment and the other one is bulk payment. Single vendor payment is used for making an individual vendor one-off payment to a specific pre-registered beneficiary. Under the single vendor payment, you can get the features of to make payments in the modes of IMPS, NEFT, RTGS, and you can view, modify or cancel the transactions. To make a single vendor payment, click Create Single Payment, select Payment Method, choose Debit Account, select Beneficiary, enter amount and remarks, and click Submit. In case of Maker Checker workflow, checker needs to approve transaction.
In case of straight-through processing (STP) transactions, once maker click on submit, transaction get executed from the system. No need to get it approved from checker.
Bulk payment is used for mass transactions such as salary, bulk vendor payouts, and other mass transactions. You can make bulk payout by entering the mass beneficiary details in Excel sheet and upload. For the Excel sheet format, you can click Add Bulk Payment, and under this option you can find sample Excel file template for bulk payouts. If any beneficiary is failed to upload while uploading the Excel sheet, the failed files will be shown in reverse document. Next is Deposit module. In this module, you can view all the term deposits made on your corporate name. Next is Approver or Checker journey. The corporate internet banking is working on the maker-checker concept. All beneficiary additions and payment initiated by the maker should be authorized by the checker to complete the transaction. Thank you. You have successfully completed the corporate internet banking journey. If need any further assistance on CIB, you can call our Smile Center on 1800266711 or email us at smile@suryodaybank.com.